Hey my spices, it's your girl, Spicy Spivey. Today we are going to make a chicken gnocchi soup inspired by Olive Garden. Spices, please don't forget that I will be uploading new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Now if you want to see how I make the soup, please keep watching. Okay, my spices, now let's get started. I diced up 2 chicken breasts. Once the chicken is done, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Okay, now grab your Dutch oven or a large pot. Add 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and whisk together well. Now you're going to add a 1/2 onion diced. Now you will add your celery, 1 stalk chopped. Now add 2 garlic cloves minced. Add 1 cup of carrots shredded. Add 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth. Add 2 cups of half and half. Add 16 ounces of gnocchi. Now go ahead and give the soup a stir to make sure that the gnocchi is not sticking together. Add your diced chicken breast. Now go ahead and add salt to taste. I use the kosher salt. Add black pepper to taste. Add 2 cups of fresh spinach and stir. My spices, this chicken gnocchi soup smells wonderful. You want to continue cooking the soup on a low heat until the soup thickens. Now add some parsley Simmer, simmer, simmer. And here you have it, my spices. Olive Garden inspired chicken gnocchi soup. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment below.